Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to yet another episode of Cable Guy Game Dev. Today, all I really want to do is just to construct the menu paper. Let me show you what I mean. So again, this was installed in an episode. I'm not sure, whatever. And what I want to do is replace the paper that's on this clipboard with actual like a usable paper that I can have like play right here, and then like settings, and then credits, and then like your highest score right here, and then maybe some other stats and whatnot over here that for your play time. And then I want to bring that into game and make that clickable and all that stuff. So that's my only real goal for this episode. Let's jump right into it. So what I'm going to use to accomplish this, or to try to accomplish this, is Microsoft Word. Now, I've been looking at some forums for the past like 15 minutes or so. I think I have a general idea on how I want this to work. I want the top half to be all specialized for the menu only, and I want the bottom half to be kind of usable for both the menu and for when you get game over. I also want to change the game over screen to show you just like a little sheet where it shows you like what's your score, which is like how much money you earned, how many times, how fast each time was and stuff like that. And I want to make the menu half and half, so I don't have to do too much extra work. Let's get right into it. Alright, guys, so the document turned out to be somewhat of a disaster. However, I am not deterred whatsoever. This is what I'm going to do. So, if we come over here, I have positioned the paper to be exactly where the other paper was, and now what we're going to do is drag this over like so, and boom. Man, that looks crappy. Okay, so I need to either figure out a better way of making this document. Maybe Photoshop might be that solution, or get better at Microsoft Word, because there's some things I just couldn't figure out right now. But I feel like we're almost there. We're almost there with getting a cool looking menu thingy. And maybe I just need to sit on the idea and think of like some more ways to spruce it up just a little bit. But I'm digging it so far. I'll let you guys have a look. It looks crappy right now, but I'm digging it. It's at least a step in the right direction. Obviously, I'll just go through some of the ideas I was going with. Cable Guy is the logo of the game. Obviously, this number spells Seth Stuff 0, and then name is going to show the user's name. When you log in with your Google Play account, it's going to display your name. It's going to display what rank you rank in on the leaderboards, and then it's going to show your little avatar right here. That's the plan. And then invoice number, I'm at a variable that collects how many times you've actually played the game. It's going to show that number. And then play, obviously, if you click right here, then the check mark or X right here will appear and the game will play. And then if you same for these, and this is where we add all the like high scores and all that stuff right here. I still need to figure out a vision again, but it's a step in the right direction. Next episode, we're gonna implement this and get the buttons and whatnot working. And I'm not entirely sure. These next few episodes are going to be kind of confusing because I'm not entirely sure what is next. I'm just kind of going with the flow at the moment, but or at least we're getting one step closer to releasing the actual app, so I'm excited about that. That's pretty much it. That is for this episode. We'll rehaul it. We'll do an overhaul on a future episode, but that's it for this one. I hope you guys are excited to get this game finished up on the episodes. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.